අයිබෝවන් uh, this is first term paper for grade 12, right? This is the first term paper grade 12, and this paper you can download, right, uh, from our uh, YouTube site, right? This is the first paper, right? This is the first paper. Now this is the uh, so many questions, about 6 questions, right? Right. Okay. Now we have uh, question number one, right? Question number one is very easy, right? Uh, that is number line, right? You have the theory, open interval, close interval, like that, right? I'm first, I go with that theory, right? This is the theory, right? Think about this one. This is the open is like that. Here, not colored, and here, this one is open, like that. You can say that this is the A and B, and like this. This is the open interval. We can write this one. X belongs to AB. This is open interval, and we can say that X belongs to R. Right. Now, next one. This is the close interval, and this one is close. Close is colored these things, right? Colored, and fill this one like this. This is the A, and this is the B. We can say that X belongs to, this is the square bracket, here round bracket, here square bracket, and this is the A and B, like that. X belongs to R. This is the close bracket. We can say that right clause and left clause like this. This is the left side, left close bracket, and here X belongs to, this is the square bracket and A and B, and this is the R, like that. Right? This is the left square bracket, right? Left close interval, and here right close interval, here open A, and here B is close black, like that, and like this. This is the B, and we can say we have no enough space. I'm going to here. X belongs to, this is round bracket and A. B, this is the square bracket, and here X belongs to R, like that, right? These are the theory, right? Now we are turn to question, right? In the question in our paper, and cover all theories, right? Cover all theories, but in your school paper, it is not like that, right? Some one or two maybe we are put here all four, right? Because of we want to cover the whole theory, like that, right? One is 2 7 2 7. Now this is the theory. This one same thing, right? This one we can say this is the we need to 2 is open, and here like that 7. This is the answer. Next one. Next one is both close number -2 and 8, like that. We need to all close -2 8, and between this one, right? And next one, right, left closed, that is -3 4, -3 4, and this is the like this. Here -3, and here 4. This is the open, like that. Another one, right clause, and that is 2 3 2 3 3 is close, 3 is close, and this is the 2 is open, 2 3 is close, like this, right? This theory for this one, this theory for this one, and this theory for this one, and this theory for this one, everything like this, right? Everything like this, right? So many theories and include all theories, right? I'm not going to give you time for writing because of this is the recording. No, this is the recording. You can post the this video, then you can copy this one, right? Then I turn to next section now, right? Right. Express the domain. Second one. Express the domain range and the codomain of the following functions, right? We can turn to domain, codomain, and range. What is the theory like that, right? We have to know about the theory, no? Right, right. First, I'm taking that domain, codomain, and range in simplest form like this. This is the any function with the graph. This is the x, right? This is the domain, right? Df, df. This is the domain, right? This is the values, and this is the functions like this. This is the function y equal fx. This is the y equal fx. This is the function, and this is any point. We can take that x1 from here, uh, x2 from here, x3 from here. I'm taking only three numbers, right? You can take any number of that, but I'm taking three numbers because of that. This is the crowdy, okay? No, no need to uh, any hesitation like that, right? Right. This is the x1. These are the some values, right? For this x1, this function create y1. This is the image. This is the image, right? Now you can understand what is said. X1. This is the for the x1 function create some value, and this value is the image, right? This is the image for the x1, right? This image of the x1, and this one another image y1, y2, no, y2. This is the another image y3, like that. All images, right? We can take that area of the images here to here, right? Here to here area of the images. No images from this area. No images for this area. All images in this area. We can say this is the range, right? This is the range. This range include this range is subset of codomain. Codomain is more than that or equal that. Someone says equal of range, but that should be more than or equal, right? More than or equal. This is the codomain, right? This is the codomain, right? Right. That is the theory, right? Now y equal 2x square plus x plus 4. Y equal 2x square plus x plus 4. and we have df. What is the df? We can all numbers minus infinity to plus infinity. Every number. We can use every number for that one. Right? Then we can say that df belongs to R. Right? All real numbers. Or minus infinity to plus infinity. Anyone. Right? Domain. The range. Ah, range has, you can say that minimum value, no? This is the minimum value, no? Range. That is the we can range R. Minimum value, what is the minimum value? We can take that uh, 2x square plus x plus 4, no? We can take that 2. We have enough, no? First we solve this one. 2 x square plus x over 2 uh, plus 4, and y equal to x square plus x over 2 plus 1 over 4 minus 1 over 4 plus 4. Now y equal 2 times x plus half, that is equal square, and here minus half. 4 minus half, 4 times to 7, 1 plus 7 over 4. Sorry, 7 over 2. That is 7 over 2. Right? Calculate again. This one we can say that x plus half is square, and here 4 minus half. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 over 2. Right? Therefore, minimum value is this one. Minimum value of this one. Right? If it is 0, right? Minimum value of this one is 0. Therefore, minimum value of this one here. 7 over 2. Now we know that df is R, and range R is 7 over 2 or greater than. That may be equal, no? Therefore, close bracket 7 over 2 infinity, right? That is R belongs to real number. This is the R. This is the symbol of real number. Okay, right? And codomain, you can say codomain is this one. That is okay, right? Or real number. Both answers are correct. Someone says this one is codomain. Okay, no problem. Codomain is this one. Okay. Someone says R. That one also okay. Right? You can say like that. Codomain should be more than or equal this one. Right? Minimum is this one. Maximum is R. No. You can use this one. Okay. This one is same. No problem. Seven over two infinity. COD F belongs to R. Anyone? Right. These are the answers. Right. Read the question number 1. We have two another. Right. I'm not going to give the space for time. Right. Because this is the recording, then you can you if you want to copy this one, you can stop this, pause this video and copy this one. Okay, no problem. And rewind. You have to anywhere. Question number 2, next one, part 2. Y equal root 9 minus x square. I think yes, right. This one is domain is with the condition, right? What is that? Think about this one. If it is x square more than 9, this is negative. Think about x is 4, x square is 16. 9 minus 16 is minus 7. Minus 7 roots, right? That is not real. Therefore, we can't, right? We can't. Then, we can say that 9 minus x square greater than or equal 0. This one should be, right, greater than or equal 0. Then we can say that uh, x square minus 9 lower than or equal 0, and here x plus 3, x minus 3, therefore lower than or equal 0. Then we can take the range here minus 3 and here 3. This is the range lower than 0. No? Think about here minus 4, minus 4, this is minus, and this one also minus, minus, minus multiply, this is the positive. Then we can't say, right? Here 0, here positive, here negative, here negative. That is okay. This one okay, right? And here uh, plus 4 plus, and here plus, that is positive. Then we can't, and here also we can't. This is the range. Therefore df belongs to, this is the close bracket, minus 3, 3. Df, sorry, df belongs to R. This is the df domain. Domain should be like that, right? Previous one is we can take the real number, no problem, but here that is the difference, right? Right. That is the df, and we have to find out the range. Think about range. Let minus 3 for here. If x equal minus 3, then y equals 0. If x equal plus 3, then y also 0. That is the problem. Now another problem here, right? Now another problem is like that. You have to range 0, 0. But this one should be vary. No, that is the vary. And we have to find out what is the minimum value of this one, right? This is the y equals 0, right? And y equals 0, and here we have to find out maximum value. This is the minimum, right? This is the minimum is 0. We can't go into other one. No, this is the minimum is 0, right? So no problem, right? But we have to find out the maximum. That is the 0 is here. 0 for x equal 3, right? I'm erase here. This is the theory. I think you know that, no? I want to say something. Our class says some class has some noise, right? Because of that, this recording done by not a human, right? This recording done by robot, right? This robot operating with motors, no? Therefore, that noise from motors, right? They, uh, don't take any mistakes for that one, right? We can't minimize that noise, right? This mic also using for minimize that one, but I think recording this recording include this noise, right? This robot moving here and there, and therefore that motors are make some noise, right? uh, we can't use some grease or something, because of that grease uh, slippery, right? Therefore that wheels are maybe slip. Then we can't take the movement, right? That is the problem. If you some students some interest about the robotics, please come to my home, right? You can see some robotics items and robotics. What is the robotics like that, right? This video also done by Robo, right? Uh, okay, no issues, right? And here, uh, uh, this is the zero. No? Here we have problem, right? So many students stuck with that one, right? Stuck. Take the y equal 9 minus x square. Then we can. This is the zero is minimum, right? Then we can goes to maximum of this one for y max modulus y max, right? Modulus y max, right? Uh, then no, let modulus y no need to let modulus y max is equal uh, root 9, that is equal 3. Therefore x equal 0. For x equal 0, right? We can say modulus y max is 3. Therefore y equal plus or minus 3. Here 0, here y equal plus or minus 3, right? Then we can take the range R belongs to in the close bracket, because of that this one is closed, no, close bracket minus 3 to plus 3. This is the range, right? So, some students stuck with this one because of that here 0, right? But range is like that. Now see codomain CODF, what is that? This one no more than one, no problem. If it is R, no problem, you can use that. And I'm saying this one, right? R also okay, minus 3 plus 3. This is the answer, right? This is a very special one, right? We are selecting three types of questions. That is that three types is three different methods, different uh, solving and three different uh, problems, right? Now next one, I think anyone understand what I'm saying like that? uh, any problem with that, you can ask from me. My number also display in our channel, right? You can ask, right? Right. Next one, y equal x minus 2, y equal x minus 2 divide x square minus 16. I'm right here x minus 2, x plus 4, x minus 4, right? These two numbers, right? X equal 4 and x equal minus 4, right? These two numbers, right? Not define this function. Not define. Not define means no values for this one, right? This function goes to infinity or something, right? Then we can take the df. df belongs to R except these two, R minus curl bracket. Curl bracket is set of values minus 4, 4. This is not a round bracket or square bracket, this is the curl bracket. All are here, but except 2 of this one. This is right like this, right? df. And the range, how to take the range? We can take the full range, no? In plus infinity to minus infinity all the time. Range belongs to R, and C or df also same thing, belongs to R. Did you finish? This one is easy, no? But easy, so many students don't know how to do that. That's the case, right? Uh, question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3. Let uh, let ax cube be fx square fx equal ax cube fx equal ax cube plus bx square minus x plus c, right? Minus x plus c, where abc belongs to R, like that. This question created by me, right? uh, right, it is given that x square is a factor of fx, right? Fx square minus 1 is a factor of fx. You know that factor theory and remainder theory. What is the remainder theory? When fx is divided by x minus a, we have to win, no? Or when no, if or anyone, when fx is divided by x minus a, the remainder is f a, right? Fx is divided by x minus a, the remainder is fa. Therefore, R equal fa. This is the remainder theory. And factor theory, if x minus a is a factor of fx, x minus a is a factor of fx, if a equal 0. This is the factor here. This is the summarized one. But real theory is bigger than that. But this is the summarized theory, right? When fx is divided by x minus a, the remainder is fa. Therefore, R equal fa, right? I'm saying again because of that my letters, right? Writing letters can't be read, no? Someone, because of that my letters is not good, right? This is the when fx is divided by x minus a, the remainder is fa. Therefore, R equal fa, right? If x minus a is a factor of fx, fa equals 0. That R is 0, right? This is the subset of uh, remainder theorem. Factor theorem is subset of remainder theorem, right? This R is 0, no? This is the same thing, right? Now we have direct this one. If x minus a is a factor of fx, here if a equals 0. But here given that x square minus 1. Therefore, we can separate two factors, right? Right. we can say that x square minus 1 uh, is equal x minus 1 x plus 1, like that, no? Right, we are using this one first and this one second. Fine. F1 for this one, a1 is cube, b1 square minus 1 plus c, that is equal 0. Therefore a plus b minus 1 plus c equal 0. This is equation number 1. Now f minus 1, a minus 1 cube plus b minus 1 square minus 1 plus c equals 0. Therefore here minus a and plus b and plus 1 plus c, equation number 2. Right, here 3 unknown items a, b, c, but we have only 2 equations. Now try to another option. It is also given that the remainder when fx is divided by x square minus 2x is 5x plus k. Right, 5x plus k. Now we have to find fx equal, what is that? X square minus 2x. No, we are using this one. That is easy. Ax cube plus bx square minus x plus c, that is fx. Right, that is fx is divided by x square minus 2x. We can separate x square minus 2x. We can say that x minus 2, x times x minus 2, and quotient is, we can take that gx, and remainder is 5x plus k. 5x plus k. From two of these one we can find b also, no? We can find. Right, right, right. Okay, now we are going to try find these things. We have two equations, no? Another equation, when x equal 0, x equals 0, we can say that this one 0, this one 0, this one 0. Only see here, this one also 0. Only k here, c equal k. For x equals 0, we can say that k equal c. X equal 2. How to select 2? This one is 0. We don't know gx, no? Then we go into this one 0 is this one 0. This one 2 equal this one 0. Right, 2. A times 2 cube, b times 2 square minus 2 plus c. C we can use k plus k, and this one 0, and 5 times 2 plus k. We can cut k, no? And I'm going to erase this theory. Eight a, 2 cube is 8a, and 4b plus 4b minus 2 equal 10. Therefore 8a plus 4b equal 12. We can divide 4 here. 2a plus B equal 3. That is equation number 3. Now we have 1, 2, 3 equations, right? First, here no C. Therefore, we can remove from this one C, right? So many students without hesitate, right? Sorry, without, with hesitate, right? Take the hesitation, solving this one, right? No any take hesitation. Without hesitation, you can do this one, right? You can take the 1 minus 2, no? 1 minus 2, right? From equation 1 minus 2. A minus A minus minus A, 2A. B and B cut. Minus 1, 2, right? Minus 1, minus 1 is 2, and others, oh, here's equals 0, no? Others equals 0, A equal 1. A equal 1, therefore, from B also equal 1. Now we know that from 1, equation 1, A equal 1 plus B equal 1 minus 1 plus C equals 0. Therefore, you can cut like this: C equal minus 1, therefore K equal minus 1. First, they are asking K, and after that, factorize Fx completely. First, Fx, we have to write Fx. What is Fx? Fx is A is Ax cube. A is 1, X cube minus B. B is minus 1. B also 1. B x square minus x minus 1. We can take x plus 1 is a factor, right? X, x, x plus 1 is a factor. We can take that x square from here, x plus 1, and minus 1 here, x plus 1. We can take out x plus 1 common. Now rest is x square minus 1. This one also we can factorize, no? X plus 1, x plus 1, x minus 1. Now fx is x plus 1 square x minus 1. This is the factorize, right? This is the factorize. Next one. Right? Write down cos A minus B in that is question number 4. Write 4a. Write down cos A minus B in terms of sin A, cos A, sin B, cos B. Right? That is easy. We know that cos A minus B. Cos A minus B. That is cos A, cos B plus sin A, Sine B. Very easy. Very easy. Right? Deduce that 2 cos alpha minus 30 minus root 3 cos alpha equals sine alpha. We try to left hand side. 2 cos alpha minus 30 minus root 3 cos alpha. Right? 2 times this one used to here. Alpha minus 30. Cos A minus B is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Right? Alpha minus 30. Alpha minus 30 cos alpha cos 30 plus sin alpha sin 30. That is easy. Cos alpha cos 30 plus sin alpha sin 30 minus root 3 cos alpha. Right? Right. 2 cos alpha. Cos alpha we don't know, no? Cos 30 root 3 over 2 plus sin alpha here sin 30 half minus root 3 cos alpha. Multiplying this one 2 times 2 and cut root 3 cos alpha plus sin alpha minus root 3 cos alpha. You can cut like this. Answer is sin alpha. That is the answer. Finish. In the usual notation, state the sine rule for the triangle ABC. State the sine rule, not prove. Right? Not prove. State the sine rule is not prove. Right? You can say just say. Right? Here. This is the triangle ABC. Like that. One triangle is enough. ABC. You can say that sin A divided A equal sin B divided B equal sin C divided C. You can say that that is KO something. This is the sine rule. In the triangle ABC shown in the figure, ABC is 60 and ACB like that. We have, I think, no enough space. No, we have to erase this one, right? I think this is okay, but this theory, this application, I think used to second B part also. No problem. That is in our paper, no, right? In in the triangle ABC shown in the figure, ABC shown in the figure, here A, this is the 90 degrees, given that I think B, C, that is like that, this is D, no? Yes. Shown in the figure A, B, C, B is 60, B is 60, this is 90, this one should be 30, yeah? This is not given, but here 60, I'm putting here 30. You also practice that one, right? CAB 90. CAB, that is okay, 90. The point D is lies on BC such that AB equal DC. AB equal DC. This one easy, right? AB equal DC. Let DAB alpha. Let DAB alpha. DAB. This one alpha. This one alpha. DAB alpha. Using sine rule. Give the result. Give the theory. Right. After 2019, that is the trend is give the theory. You have to do like this, right? You should do, right? No any other way, right? This is the trend, right? Trend is after 2019. Trend is this one. Give the real theory. You should do this theory, right? Theory also given, right? That is international standard, right? International papers always theory is given, every equation is given, everything given, right? You have to do calculation and processing like that. This is a good method, right? Using sine rule for the for suitable triangles, show that cos alpha minus 30. We have to find out alpha minus 30. That is cos, right? Alpha minus 30. This is alpha, right? This is the alpha, right? Uh, this is 30. We don't know what is that. Here 90 minus alpha. Here this angle 90 minus alpha, this angle. This these two. What about this angle? 90 minus alpha minus 30. 90 minus alpha minus 30. Right? This is 90 minus alpha. And we can say this one also, no? Very easy. That is okay. Here 90 minus alpha, and what about this one? Plus 30. This angle equal add of this one, no? That is the theory, right? This is the 90 minus alpha. This is the alpha. This is the 90 minus alpha. Uh, Sum of these two angles equal this angle. Therefore, 90 minus alpha plus 30. Right? Therefore, we can say that 90 minus alpha minus 30. Right? Okay. Now these two sides are equal. No, I am taking this one x for easy to calculation. Okay, no need to that one. That I am using this is x for calculation purpose. Right? This one also x, and this one AD. I am taking this is the y. Right? For the calculation purpose, right for the sine rule for this triangle and this triangle. Sine rule for first I'm going to this one, ABD triangle. ABD triangle. Sine rule for ABD triangle. Sine I'm taking this one, 90 minus alpha minus 30 divide x divide x. Oh, right, 90 minus alpha minus 30 sine divide x, this one, and equal another one. We can take that sine alpha also, no? Show that cos alpha. Yeah, we can use this one, sine 60 divided by y. That is equation 1. That is equation 1. Second one, sine rule ACD triangle. right? Sine rule for ACD triangle. Sine 90 minus alpha. 90 minus alpha divide x. 90 minus alpha divide x. Sine, we can use that sine 30. Oh, sine 30. Sine 30 divide y. Right? This is the equation number 2. I'm not going to solve these things and using this one. Right? Okay. Here x and y, no. We can divide. 1 divided by 2. From 1 divided by 2. Right? 1 divided by 2. Here sine 90 minus alpha minus 30 is, we can say that sine 90 minus alpha is, we know that. What is that? Sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. Sine 90 minus theta equal cos theta. Then we can say directly cos alpha minus 30. Right? And this x cut. And here sine 90 minus alpha. Yeah, that is sine alpha. Sorry, cos alpha. Cos alpha. And here sine 60. Sine 60 is root 3 over 2. And y cut sine 30 also half. Right? This half and this half cut. Therefore, this cos alpha turn to here, and here cos alpha minus 30 equal root 3 cos alpha. I think that is the answer. Yes. Using the result in A above. Using the result in A above, right? Previous result, that is 2 cos alpha minus 30 minus root 3 cos alpha equals sin alpha. That is one. Deduce that alpha equals 60. 2 cos alpha minus 30. This one. What about previous result? 2 cos alpha minus 30 minus root 3 cos alpha equals sin alpha. Right? What about here? 2 cos alpha minus 30 is we proved root 3 cos alpha. 2 times root 3 cos alpha minus root 3 cos alpha equal sin alpha. Here we can cut one thing. Root 3 cos alpha equal sin alpha. Here tan alpha equal root 3, right? Alpha equal 60. Because of that, 0 greater than equal alpha, then or equal 90. Alpha is range this one. Therefore, alpha is 60. That is the answer. Finish. Now we have to turn to next question. Next one. Question number 5. Right? That is vector. right? Vector. Let OACB be a parallelogram, that is parallelogram, and let D be the point on BC. OACB is parallelogram. This is the parallelogram. This is O, this is A, and here C, and here B. This is the parallelogram. Let D point on BC. BC is this one. BD to DC 3 to 1. I think this one. Here 1, here 3. The position vector of point A and B with respect to O are A and alpha B. This is A. This is lambda B. Lambda B. Respectively, where lambda positive. Express the vector OA and OD in terms of AB and lambda. We have to AB. AB is this one, no? This is the triangle law, right? We have to use that triangle law. Why? We need to find AB, then use the some. If you have any vector question, you want to find some vector. First, you draw this one, right? Then you can see the triangle with the given two vectors or something, right? Sometimes not given that. You can see the triangle, unless you use to triangle law, no any other law, another theories, right? Directly use the triangle law. From triangle law, for OAB triangle, we have to find out AB, no? Yes, AB. AB equal AB equal AO plus OB. AO plus OB, right? AO plus OB. What is the AO? AO is minus A plus lambda B. Therefore, AB equal lambda B minus A. Okay. Now that is that one. Now that is AB. And OD. OD, where the OD? Yes, OD is here. You have to draw like that. No? OD. OD also same, no? This one and this one. This is the triangle. From triangle law, for what? OBD triangle. OBD triangle. Right. OBD triangle. That is OD equal OB plus BD. OB plus BD. OD. OB is lambda B. And BD 3 to 1. BD to DC 3 to 1. Right here. BD to DC 3 to 1. Therefore, BD is 3 over 4. 3 over 4 BC. Right? 3 over 4 BC. Now we have to find out BC. OD equal lambda B plus 3 over 4 BC. What is the BC? Where is the BC? BC is, we know that. We can draw like this. BC. This is the A and this is the parallelogram. No? This is the lambda B. This one also lambda B. Right? And BC is uh, BC is BC is very easy, no? OB plus BC. BC is we know that this is the A and here also A. BC also A, no? BC also A. Right. Now OD is this one. Now let AB be perpendicular OD. This is says angle, right? Perpendicular means angle, no? Right? This is says about the angle. This is say about the angle. We know that we have only one theory, two theories about the angle. That is the vector production and scalar production, right? We know that from the scalar production, multiplication, scalar production about the perpendicular one, right? What is the scalar production? Scale production is A dot B equal modulus A modulus B cos theta, no? Right? Perpendicular this one. If theta equal 90, then we can take cos theta cos 90 equal 0. Therefore, A dot B equal 0. This is the uh, scalar production. Therefore, we can say that if AB perpendicular OD, then AB dot OD should be 0. Scale production should be 0. Now we have, what about AB? Lambda B minus A dot lambda B plus 3 over 4 A equals 0. We have to multiply those things. Multiply this one, lambda square B dot B, and here minus lambda A dot B, and here plus 3 over 4 lambda A dot B, and here minus 3 over 4 A dot A equal 0. Now multiplying by 4. 4 lambda square. This is B dot B is modulus B square. Here 4 lambda plus 3 minus lambda A dot B, and here minus 3 modulus A square equal 0. I think that is the answer, no? Yes, that is the answer. Find the value of lambda if modulus A modulus B equal B and AOB pi by 3. Now we have modulus A modulus B equal 4 lambda square modulus A square. This is the modulus B. I am putting modulus A for that one. Minus lambda, here modulus A, again modulus A dot B, right? We know that here A dot B equal modulus A modulus B cos theta, no? We are using modulus B also, modulus A, and cos, that is pi by 3, given that theta is pi by 3, minus 3 modulus A square equal 0. Now we can cut modulus A square. Now 4 lambda square minus lambda cos pi by 3 is half, minus 3 equals 0. Therefore multiplied 8 lambda square minus lambda minus 6 equals 0. We have solved this one, no? Factorize. If it is, I think can't. Uh, then we can factorize. Oh, we can use the equation easily, no? Easily equation we can use. And 8 square. First try to factorize. 4 lambda. No, I think no. Lambda equal 1 plus or minus root 1 plus 4 times 6 times is 48. 48 times 4. 48 times 4. What is that? 32. 16. 192. Divide by 16. Lambda equal 1 plus or minus root 193 divide by 16. I think lambda is positive now given that. Yes. Lambda equal 1 plus root 193 divided by 16 given that lambda positive. That is the answer. Right? Like this. Now we have final question. Right. Final question. A B C D E F is a regular hexagon. Right. A B C D E F is a regular hexagon side 2 meter. The origin O is the center of the hexagon and H is the midpoint of DE. Oh. The unit vector of along OC and OH. Now we have to manipulate this question. How to draw? We can draw hexagon two types. Huh? One is like this. Another one is like this. Right. Now we have to sketch work like this. Midpoint of DE. That should be upside, no? OH is upside, no? Now given that, see here, H here. What about H? We ask the H. H is midpoint of DE. It should be like this. It should be like this. Then we can use this one only. We can't use like that. It should be here. That is H is DE. Here D and here E should be. And C here, no? That is okay. And B should be here, A here, A, B, C, D, E, F here. This is the diagram, right? How to select the diagram, how to draw the diagram like this. First, students has some problem. How to draw? Draw is like that. First you have to draw like this. You have to select D and here E like that, no? Then you can draw like this. Okay. Finish. Now we are drawing like this and like this. Right. This is the x-axis and here C. and here O, and here y-axis, this is the H, this is the D, here E, and here F, and here A, and here B, right? One side is 2 meter. 2, 4, 4, 3, 4, 3 newtons are along AB. AB 2, 2 newton, and BC, 4 newton, and BC 4 newton, and CD 4 newton, CD 4 newton, 4 newton, EF 3 newton, EF 3 newton, and FA AB AB 2 newton, right? I also some mistake. 2 newton, and BC 4 newton, and BC 4 newton, AB 2 newton, BC 4 newton, CD 4 newton again, DE 3 newton, 3 newton, DE 3 newton, uh, EF 4 newton, EF 4 newton, FA 3 newton, FA 3 newton, ED 4 newton, sorry, ED 4 newton, right? Okay. Now we have to find express each force in the form xi yj. AB, here vector and force, vector AB. What about force? This is I direction, no? 2i, and vector BC. What is the case? This is the 60, and this one also 60, and here also 60, and this one also 60. We have to do, right? All angles are 60. Then we have 4 newton this side, 4 newton this side. See the my pen, 4 newton cos 60, 4 newton cos 60. Cos 60 is half. Therefore 4 divided by 2, 2i, plus 4 newton sin 60, 4 newton sin 60, 4 newton sin 60. 4 newton sin 60 is root 3 over 2. Therefore 2 root 3 j, that is BC, and CD, that is 4 newton cos 60 is other side minus 1, minus 2i plus 2 root 3 j. ED, ED 3 newton, 3i only. Force newton here, 3i only, and EF, EF minus 2i, 4 newton cos 60 minus 2i, other side minus 2 root 3 j. EF, FA, FA, FA. FA is 3 Newton cos 60, 3 over 2 I, that is minus plus minus 3 root 3 over 2 J, right? These are the forces. We need to find out the resultant force like this. We have to find out resultant force, and 2I minus 2I, these two cut, and these two cut. Here 3I only. 3 plus 3 over 2 means 9 over 2I, and we have two of these cut, and here 2 in a 4 root 3, and minus 3 is plus root 3 over 2 J. Resultant is this one. We need to find out resultant. We need to find out, right? Check again. These two cut, and two of this one. Sorry, two of this one. 3 plus 3 over 2 is 9 over 2, right? That is okay. These two and these two cut, and set in two of these one. 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 root 3 over 2 J. That is the resultant, right? We need to resultant, but here not ask that one, but we need to resultant, right? Always we have to find the magnitude of the vector, and that is case, right? Find the magnitude of the vector and the couple representing the system of force at O. Oh. First one, uh, see the resultant. No? We need to find the magnitude of the vector and the couple representing the system of force at O. Right? Find the magnitude of the vector. Right? Find the magnitude of the direction of the vector resultant. Right? Find the magnitude and the magnitude and the direction of the vector. Magnitude of this one resultant. No. Resultant magnitude. What is that? Square of this one and square of this one. Very complex number, I think. 9 over 2 square plus root 3 over 2 square. Right? What is the magnitude? Half is okay. 9 square is 81. Here 3. 84, no? 84. 84 we can divide by 4. This 4 is here, no? Should be. 84 we can divide by 4. 84. 84 divided by 4. 21. Root 21. That is the magnitude. And direction, alpha equal tan inverse root 3 over 2. 9 over 2. 2 and 2 cut. Root 3 here, alpha equal tan inverse 1 over 3 root 3. 3 root 3. This is the direction. Now we have to couple, no? We don't know where the resultant is going on, right? We have to go. This resultant should be goes the O. This resultant go through with O. Therefore, we can take the what is that? We can take the moment around this one should be 0, right? I'm taking that clockwise sense. These all the thing anti-clockwise, no, clockwise sense. I'm getting the movement of this one, right? This, right? Clockwise sense. I'm using clockwise sense because of that. All these forces are anti-clockwise sense. I'm using movement around this one, right? And what is the perpendicular length of this one? Uh, one one side of one side of this one side of this one is 2 meter, right? Therefore, this one 2 meter, 2 meter, 2 sine 60. 2 sine 60 is root 3 meter. That is the length. Perpendicular length is this one. One side of this one 2 meter, right? Therefore, every sides are 2 meter. Therefore, this one also 2 meter, right? Or then you can take the 1 meter from this one. Here 1 meter. This is the half, no? Here side 1 meter. 1 meter tan 60. 1 tan 60 is root 3, right? 1 meter tan 60. 1 tan 60. This is the 1 meter. This one is root 3 meter, right? Tan 60 like that. Now we have to movement, right? Movement around O should be zero, right? M is other one, no? This is the anti-clockwise sense. M is clockwise sense. Therefore, I am using minus M and plus. Come to here. And here, this perpendicular and root 3 meter, this one also same. Here also same. Here also same. Here also same. Here also same. Every sides has same direction. Every sides, right? Every sides has same direction. Therefore, you can use these things like this. Uh, Movement around O, we can use 2, 3 directly, and others are this side. We have to uh, algebraic sum, right? Okay. Now we are using right root 3, root 3 here. First I'm using AB 2 Newton, another one 4 Newton, another one also 4 Newton, another one also 4 Newton, another one minus 3, another one plus 4 Newton, another one 3 Newton equals 0, right? Root 3 times 2, root 3 times 4, root 3 times 4, root 3 times minus 3, root 3 times 4, again root 3 times 3, like that, everything multiplied by same perpendicular direction. Therefore, I am taking outside perpendicular direction like this, right? Now we can take the cut like this, and here 4, 4, 4, 4, and everything 12 plus 2, 14, m equal 14 root 3 Newton meter. That is the clockwise sense, no? Clockwise sense. This is the sense, right? Now that is finished. Uh, Whole paper, right? Full paper is finished, and I think you can understand what I'm saying like that. Practice like this, right? This is the first term now. This is not very big situations, but you have to practice, right? Don't to do the very simple questions and do the very how many questions? No. You are doing like that. No need that one, right? Try to exam questions very well, right? That is the key of the success of your A level result, right? That is, you have to do, you must do exam questions. But this is not exam question. That is this one very very close to exam questions, right? These questions are created by me, and these questions very close to exam questions, right? Referring exam question, we are doing, we complete this question done by me, right? Okay, right. And this is the our uh, online studio, right? This is the very facilitated class uh, in the Sri Lanka. I think uh, this is the most facilitated, right? This class recording by done by robots, right? No any human here uh, without me, right? Only one human is only me. Or my I is only one human, right? No any humans here. All that done by robotics, right? Because of that, I'm an engineer, right? Then I can do the robotics is very simple way, right? This is the very this is not simple, but that is simple for engineers, right? He, if he's a real engineer, he can do well, and sounds and everything. We are doing so many things and creating questions and everything, right? That is uh, engineer's work, right? If you want to be an engineer, follow me, right? Not my dress, follow me. Because of that, engineers is uh, doing like this. Engineers is doing solving questions like this, right? This type is questions very simple way, and you have to do like this, right? Very fast, right? No, the exam paper has only 3 hours. No, someone doing that is any single question doing about 1 hour, more than 1 hour, like that. No need that, right? That one should be very fast, right? Your speed is must, right? Some fail students, so many students fail. They know theory very well, right? Fail. Someone says F marks, fail marks, but you can ask the theory what is that, they know, right? That is the case. Therefore, you have to uh, not only theory, that is the method, system, that is the speed, everything, thinking pattern, most are different, right? You have to do, you have to do this type of system, this type of question, this type of speed, everything. Okay, uh, we will meet again, right? This is the first paper, and I plan to another papers, right? 10 papers maybe, right? First round I plan to 10 papers, right? Okay, we'll meet again. I won.